So today we have Riya with us and she scored 117 marks. So online experience, how was that? कैसा था experience?
Sir, I'm very grateful firstly that I joined EduCARE because they take very exam specific preparation, and all the faculties, the point of contact that I had, she was also wonderful, and all the faculties, they were really helpful. So when I actually went into the exam, I thought ये तो सब मैंने पढ़ा हुआ है और ये सब तो
Okay.
मॉड्यूल में से ही है everything. And
Okay.
the journey was a little bit rough for me during CLAT preparation. But
Mm.
after CLAT, I realized that I needed a very exam oriented way of preparation. So, like I said, I'm very grateful that I joined BEduCare because that was the reason I got a little bit of a push in January that I can do it. And that motivation that was missing during CLAT, I picked myself up and I कैरीड ऑन. इतना ट्रबल सिर्फ बीच बीच में मॉक का स्कोर देख के डिमोटिवेशन आ जाता था कि आई हैव बीन प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर
Obviously.
2 years, व्हाई एम आई नॉट गेटिंग इट राइट. But
Mm.
then thankfully everything went well in the end. So
Okay, so finally किस particular college का aim कर रहे हो आप?
sir, I am leaning towards GLC, but
Hmm.
GLC ILS both are great. If I get into GLC, that's a win-win because that was the college I dreamed of ever since I started my law entrance preparation.
I hope so and वो मिलेगा भी आपको as you scored very good marks. So जो प्रिपरेशन की जर्नी आपने स्टार्ट की तो इसके पीछे कोई इंस्पिरेशन था कि लॉ एज अ करियर ही बनाना है आपको?
फिर मैंने एट्थ में वगैरह ही डिसाइड किया था कि आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लीन एनीवेयर नियर साइंस और
हम्म.
एनीवेयर नियर दैट फील्ड. एंड आई वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इनटू पॉलिटिक्स, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी. सो ऐसे इंटरेस्ट बढ़ता गया एंड इन टेंथ आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल डू समथिंग related to law only. And in 11th
Okay.
मेरा final हो गया कि I will start with my law entrance preparation because I was so much into model UNs and debate competitions, parliamentary debates. I thought
Oh,
then it
great.
is great to make a career in something I love. So I started preparing for my law
So how
exams.
was your math?
Initially, until 10th, I did not like maths so much. It was not one of my favorite subjects, like many
Mm.
students. But in 11th, I took up commerce and I started liking maths. And again, because maths is a very important part of the exam also. So, जैसे जैसे practice बढ़ती गई, I realized that I shouldn't be scared of it, or there's nothing to hate. Once you get the logic, you can
Right.
easily do maths. And
यस, तो बेसिकली यही है कि जितने प्रिपरेशन के शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स अगर आपको पता है एंड आपने मन से ठान लिया है देन एवरीथिंग इज इन जस्ट इज. ओके. सो बेसिकली कोई ऐसा पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन जो आपके लिए काफी टफ रहा हो?
sir, GK I would say because GK was so vast. But
Okay.
for exam, GK was easy. But
इजी.
during
यस.
the preparation, it was so vast because pinpoint करने नहीं आता था कि ये पढ़ना है या वो पढ़ना है.
राइट.
Because or you can never be 100% prepared for GK. I feel there are so many sources, but once I was outside the exam hall, I thought preparation हो गया है, जितना हुआ है, go confidently and do as much as I can. And I would like to say that जो BEduCare का वो जो GK मॉड्यूल था, हाँ, most of the things were from the module only. So
क्वेश्चन वाज
ऐसे
आस्क्ड.
कुछ
राइट.
लगा ही नहीं कि this is something unfamiliar. I have not reड this. Uh, Everything was something that I had read once or twice before.
एंड मॉक का जो लेवल था
So
एज
it
कम्पेयर
was
टू एग्जाम?
exactly the way exam was, not a tad bit difficult, not a tad bit easy, exactly the way exam was.
तो एज यू सॉ द क्वेश्चन पेपर व्हाट वाज योर रिएक्शन दैट टाइम?
Sir, I was a little nervous firstly when I went into the exam because CET was my only hope because मेरा CLAT इतना अच्छा मतलब हुआ था, but then I did not apply for counseling. So I knew
ओके.
CLAT was my only hope that I was leading on. So when I went in, I was a little bit
राइट.
nervous. But as I started solving questions, it went on well. It was easy. मेरा एक ही घंटे में पेपर खत्म हो गया. सो आई स्टार्टेड रीचेकिंग एंड in that I made a few silly mistakes. The answers I had marked right, I changed them to wrong. So that these are a few regrets that I have now. But the exam was overall very easy.
And after checking the scorecard,
Initially, I was very disappointed because I thought I will at least touch the 120
120
mark
plus,
because
yeah.
I was very sure that मेरा पेपर बहुत अच्छा गया था. My family and everybody else was very happy listening to the
Oh,
score that 117, but मैं ही ज्यादा disappoint हो गई थी. But later when I heard people say that there is a chance at GLC and ILS also, then I felt a little bit relieved and satisfied.
okay. So now completely ready for GLC or ILS?
Yeah, I'm ready to go to both the colleges.
ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट, क्योंकि इतना अच्छा मार्क्स आया है तो डेफिनेटली यू शुड गो फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज जो भी आपने ड्रीम कॉलेज रखा है. आई होप ऑब्वियसली जीएलसी तो इजीली मिल ही जाएगा आपका. एंड इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर आईएलएस टू देन ऑल्सो सांगली से नजदीकी है पुणे एंड ऑल्सो मुंबई. सो कोई टेंशन की तो बात नहीं है. एंड एज काफी सारे डिबेट कंपटीशन वगैरह पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं, सो वो एक जो आपको एक्सपीरियंस था उसी से एक इंस्पिरेशन भी जनरेट हो गई, और उस इंस्पिरेशन से अब जो आगे 5 साल आपको यहाँ बिताने हैं, सो आपने कुछ तो माइंड में जरूर सोचा होगा कि ये करियर ऑप्शन मेरे लिए है. आज हमारे पास क्या करियर ऑप्शंस दिख रहे हैं, आने वाले टाइम में क्या हो सकते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, ऐसे ही मैं कुछ वीडियोस भी बनाने वाला हूँ ताकि हर एक स्टूडेंट को ये पता चले कि लॉ एज अ करियर और उसके बाद क्या क्या ऑप्शंस हो सकते हैं. सो मुझे ये बताइए रिया कि आप क्या सजेस्ट करोगे किसी स्टूडेंट के लिए, अगर वो लॉ एज अ करियर चूज करता भी है, या फिर उसका जो प्रिपरेशन है वो किस तरह से होना चाहिए, जर्नी कैसे होनी चाहिए.
Sir, I would like to say that you should consistently be in touch with GK and current affairs. That is one main thing for any law entrance that you're targeting. You should consistently read the newspapers or even watch YouTube videos, because I would like to say that my entire GK preparation I did from YouTube, because I there were so many things to read always. I did my entire current affairs preparation from YouTube. So even if you don't feel like reading a lot of newspaper, watch YouTube videos. There are many sources.
यस,
So
डेली जीके वीडियोस.
be
राइट.
consistently in touch with GK, and read as much as you can, because that will help your vocabulary also. If you're aiming for exams like CLAT, it will help your reading speed. So read a lot and stay in touch with the happenings of the world, and then you will
ओके.
be able to get through it with it very easily, I feel.
राइट. एंड व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन अबाउट द बी एडुकेयर.
Sir, like I said, I'm very, very grateful I joined EduCARE, because very exam oriented preparation. Faculties are amazing, very friendly. The exact tips and tricks that they teach us, the same are very applicable in the exam. And I still remember our faculties told us that don't go on solving too many difficult questions.
राइट.
They used to tell us the questions that mark these questions and solve them as your homework. So when we used to solve it, then you get an idea of the level of difficulties of the examination.
राइट.
I used to feel, अरे इतना easy तो थोड़ी ना आएगा पेपर में. So I used to try solving the difficult ones. But even if the faculties, the questions that they told us, same difficulty level was seen in the paper, especially maths. I remember our sir used to show many tips and tricks and everything, and
राइट.
that once we practice those questions that he told us to mark, वही सारे क्वेश्चंस पेपर में आए, उससे इजी क्वेश्चंस आए. सो नॉट अ लॉट टू वरी अबाउट. Everybody is very kind at EduCare. Even though I was an online student, the times I had doubts, questions about how the class would go about or how the portal functions, my point of contact, she was also very kind, always helpful. So I had the best experience joining EduCare. And if you're preparing for CET, I would definitely suggest every student to join EduCARE because I got that boost of confidence once I started solving their mocks also, and seeing the exam paper I was elated because that's exactly how I had prepared.
सेम लेवल ऑफ मोटिवेशन, काफी अच्छी जर्नी बढ़ने वाली है फ्यूचर में. सो दैट कंप्लीटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू कि आप कैसे प्रिपरेशन करते हो. एंड दैट्स व्हाई गाइस द मोटो बिहाइंड ऑफ दीज ऑल पॉडकास्ट यही बताने का तरीका है कि हर एक स्टूडेंट की एक अलग सी जर्नी है. लाइक कोई ऑफलाइन क्लासेस अटेंड करता है, कोई ऑनलाइन करता है, कोई गांव से है, कोई सिटीज से है, लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने एक चीज नहीं छोड़ी, एंड दैट इज द टारगेट, टू एम टू दैट, टू गेट द सीट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज. और यही होना चाहिए. सो लास्ट लाइन फ्रॉम यू, रिया.
Good luck, and I think the most important thing, whatever, irrespective of anything you do in life, is to carry a positive attitude. Never leave your positive attitude behind, no matter how difficult the preparation journey is, no matter if you're not scoring the desired score, but carry that positive attitude with you, and it will definitely reflect on your results and definitely reflect on your scores, and you will be grateful that you didn't whine and you didn't cry or you didn't feel frustrated. So
Right.
that's all.
So that's all from today's podcast, and good luck, Riya.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.